Hi guys, I'm Keenan Crooner Finn Austin here, and this is the Snowman with the Piano. It's made by Hallmark. I got this at the Salvation Army before. Here it is. Here's the Snowman with the Piano. It's made by Hallmark. He sings Christmas music. Let's push the button. Let's see what the snowman does. The lights light up on the piano, and he dances. The snowman dances.
Now the jingle hop has begun. That's the jingle bell rock. Have a holly jolly Christmas. And in case you didn't hear, oh by golly, have a holly jolly Christmas this year.
Here it is. Here it is. Here's the snowman with the piano. Yep, it plays 3 Christmas songs. The first song that the snowman sings is Let It Snow, and the second song is Jingle Bell Rock, and the third one is A Holly Jolly Christmas. Yep, so this is my Snowman with the Piano. It's made by Hallmark. Alright, goodbye guys, and have a good Christmas break.